Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to today's episode where we'll be discussing 10 invaluable tips for achieving success in the world of finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, these tips will provide you with the tools and strategies to thrive in the financial realm. So, let's dive right in. 1. Laying the foundation. Build a strong financial foundation. Start by establishing a budget, saving diligently, and paying off any high-interest debt. A solid financial base will provide you with stability and peace of mind, allowing you to focus on future growth. 2. Education and continuous learning. Invest in your knowledge. Stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the financial industry. Read books, attend seminars, and consider pursuing further education or certifications. Remember, the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. 3. Set clear goals. Set clear financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve in both the short and long term. Whether it's saving for retirement, starting a business, or buying a home, having specific goals will help you stay focused and motivated on your journey to success. 4. Diversify your investments. Spreading your risk across different asset classes and sectors is essential. Consider investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, and other options to create a balanced portfolio. This way, if one sector falters, you'll have other investments to offset potential losses. 5. Embrace long-term thinking. Successful investors understand the importance of patience and perseverance. Avoid getting caught up in short-term market fluctuations and focus on your long-term investment strategy. Remember, wealth accumulation is a marathon, not a sprint. 6. Seek professional advice. Financial advisors can provide valuable insights and help you navigate complex financial decisions. Look for certified professionals with a solid track record and a fiduciary responsibility to act in your best interest. 7. Manage risk effectively. Always assess the risk-reward ratio before making any investment. Consider your risk tolerance and diversify your holdings accordingly. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Stay disciplined and follow your predetermined investment plan. 8. Network and collaborate. Network and collaborate with like-minded individuals. Join professional associations, attend industry conferences, and engage in discussions with experts. Building a strong network will provide you with valuable connections, mentorship opportunities, and access to new investment ideas. 9. Adapt to technological advancements. Embrace technological advancements. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Leverage fintech tools, online platforms, and automation to streamline your financial processes and gain a competitive edge. 10. Stay disciplined. Stay disciplined and stick to your plan. Avoid impulsive decisions and stay focused on your financial goals. Remember, success in finance requires consistent effort, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Conclusion. And there you have it, 10 valuable tips to help you achieve success in the finance world. Remember, building a strong foundation, continuous learning, setting clear goals, diversifying your investments, embracing long-term thinking, seeking professional advice, managing risky